Hello everyone. Today, we will delve into the key traits and qualities outlined in the Architects of Victory. Traits of the best lawyers and qualities for success. This topic is essential for all professionals, students, and learners. In the intricate arena of law, where precedent collides with innovation and human stakes run high, victory is rarely accidental. It is meticulously constructed by individuals possessing a distinct blend of innate traits and cultivated qualities, the architects of legal triumph, while technical knowledge is the bedrock. The most successful lawyers distinguish themselves through a powerful combination of cognitive prowess, interpersonal mastery, strategic execution, and unwavering core principles. The cognitive pillars: blueprint designers, analytical acumen, and critical thinking. This is the foundation. The best lawyers dissect complex information, statutes, case law, contracts, witness statements, with surgical precision. They identify patterns, spot inconsistencies, anticipate counterarguments, and separate relevant facts from distracting noise. They don't just understand the law, they understand its application and potential weaknesses in a given scenario. They ask why relentlessly and challenge assumptions, including their own. Creative problem solving. Law is not merely applying rules. It's finding pathways through ambiguity. Top lawyers think beyond conventional solutions. They reframe problems, identify novel legal arguments, craft innovative settlement structures, and devise strategies that opponents don't anticipate. They see the chessboard several moves ahead. Understanding that the law often provides multiple potential routes to a desired outcome. Insatiable intellectual curiosity and lifelong learning. The law is perpetually evolving. Successful lawyers possess a deep, genuine curiosity about legal developments, related fields, technology, finance, medicine, and the world at large. They are voracious learners, constantly updating their knowledge base, mastering new practice areas, and understanding the context in which their clients operate. Stagnation is the enemy of victory. 2. Interpersonal mastery. Building bridges and winning trust. Exceptional communication, written and oral. The ability to convey complex ideas clearly, concisely, and persuasively is paramount. This includes writing, crafting compelling briefs, precise contracts, and lucid client advice that withstands scrutiny. Speaking, presenting arguments forcefully yet respectfully in court, negotiating effectively. Explaining legal concepts understandably to clients, and advocating with conviction. Listening. Truly hearing clients, witnesses, opponents, and judges to understand underlying needs, motivations, and concerns. Active listening is often the key to unlocking solutions. 5. Emotional intelligence, EQ. This encompasses self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, and social skill. Successful lawyers manage their own stress and emotions. Maintaining composure under intense pressure is non-negotiable. Read the room. Understanding the emotional dynamics in negotiations, depositions, or courtrooms. Build rapport and trust with clients, who are often in distress, colleagues, judges, and even adversaries. Empathy allows them to understand client anxieties and present cases in a relatable way. Navigate conflict constructively, transforming adversarial situations into opportunities for resolution. Persuasive advocacy. Beyond just stating the law, the best lawyers are master persuaders. They construct compelling narratives, marshal evidence effectively, anticipate and dismantle opposing arguments, and connect with their audience, be it a judge, jury, arbitrator, or negotiating counterparty, on both logical and emotional levels. They make the complex understandable and their desired outcome seem like the just and inevitable conclusion. 3. Strategic execution, from blueprint to building. Resilience and tenacity. Legal battles are often long, arduous, and involve setbacks. The best lawyers possess remarkable grit. They absorb losses, learn from mistakes, regroup quickly, and persevere with unwavering determination. They don't shy away from difficult fights but approach them with stamina and mental fortitude. Victory often belongs to the last person standing. Meticulous diligence and attention to detail. One missed deadline, one overlooked clause, one factual error can be catastrophic. Successful lawyers are extraordinarily detail-oriented. They leave no stone unturned in preparation, proofread rigorously, double-check citations, and anticipate potential procedural pitfalls. Their work product is consistently thorough and reliable. Strategic foresight and judgment. They see the big picture and the long game. This involves evaluating risks and rewards, advising clients not just on legal merits, but on the practical, financial, and reputational implications of various courses of action, making sound decisions under uncertainty, often with incomplete information and tight deadlines. Resource allocation, efficiently managing time, budget, and team efforts to achieve optimal results, knowing when to fight and when to settle. Victory isn't always a courtroom win. Sometimes it's achieving the best possible outcome efficiently. IV. The core foundation, integrity and purpose, unshakable integrity and ethical compass. Trust is the cornerstone of the legal profession. The most respected and ultimately successful lawyers adhere to the highest ethical standards, even when inconvenient. They are honest with clients, courts, and opponents. Their word is their bond. Shortcuts that compromise integrity inevitably lead to long-term ruin. Ethical conduct builds lasting reputations and fosters trust essential for victory. Sound judgment and practical wisdom. Beyond knowing the law, the best lawyers exercise excellent judgment. They balance legal principles with common sense, client goals with reality, and aggression with prudence. They understand the human element and the practical consequences of legal actions. This wisdom often guides them towards the most effective solution, not just the technically correct one. Passion and commitment to client service. Genuine passion for the law and a deep commitment to advocating fiercely for clients' interests are powerful motivators. The best lawyers are driven by a desire to achieve justice, as defined by their client's position, and make a tangible difference. They invest personally in their clients' causes, fostering dedication that fuels the long hours and intense effort required for victory. This passion translates into exceptional client service, being responsive, accessible, and focused on achieving the client's objectives. Conclusion. The synergy of victory, the architect of victory, is not defined by a single trait but by the powerful synergy of these qualities. Cognitive horsepower without interpersonal skills renders arguments sterile. Tenacity without strategy becomes mere stubbornness. Brilliance without integrity is ultimately hollow. The best lawyers seamlessly integrate sharp analysis, creative problem-solving, masterful communication, emotional intelligence, relentless diligence, strategic acumen, and unwavering ethics. They understand that victory is multifaceted. Winning the case, achieving the client's goal, upholding justice, and preserving their own reputation and integrity. By consciously cultivating this comprehensive set of traits and qualities, lawyers transform themselves from mere practitioners into true architects, capable of designing and constructing the hard-won victories that define a successful and impactful legal career. The blueprint for success is complex, but for those who master its elements, the potential to build lasting legal triumphs is immense. Thank you very much.
सभी को नमस्कार। आज हम द आर्किटेक्ट्स ऑफ विक्ट्री लक्षणों के सबसे अच्छे वकीलों और सफलताओं के गुणों में उल्लिखित प्रमुख लक्षणों और गुणों में तल्लीन करेंगे। यह विषय सभी पेशेवरों, छात्रों और शिक्षार्थियों के लिए आवश्यक है। कानून के जटिल क्षेत्र में, जहां मिसाल नवाचार से टकरा जाती है और मानव दांव उच्च चलते हैं, जीत शायद ही कभी आकस्मिक होती है। ये सावधानीपूर्वक व्यक्तियों द्वारा निर्मित किया जाता है, जो जन्मजात लक्षणों और खेती के गुणों का एक अलग मिश्रण रखते हैं, कानूनी विजय के वास्तुकार। जबकि तकनीकी ज्ञान बेडरॉक है, सबसे सफल वकील संज्ञानात्मक कौशल, पारस्परिक महारत, रणनीतिक निष्पादन और अटूट कोर सिद्धांतों के एक शक्तिशाली संयोजन के माध्यम से खुद को अलग करते हैं। आय संज्ञानात्मक स्तंभ, खाका डिजाइनर विश्लेषणात्मक कौशल और महत्वपूर्ण सोच। यह नींव है। सर्वश्रेष्ठ वकील जटिल जानकारी को विच्छेदित करते हैं, कानून, केस कानून, अनुबंध, गवाह बयान, सर्जिकल परिशुद्धता के साथ। वे पैटर्न की पहचान करते हैं, विसंगतियों को स्पॉट करते हैं, काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट्स का अनुमान लगाते हैं और विचलित करने वाले शोर से अलग अलग प्रासंगिक तथ्यों को पहचानते हैं। वे सिर्फ कानून को नहीं समझते हैं, वे किसी दिए गए परिदृश्य में इसके आवेदन और संभावित कमजोरियों को समझते हैं। वे पूछते हैं, क्यों? अथक और चुनौती मान्यताओं, अपने स्वयं के सहित। रचनात्मक समस्या समाधान। कानून केवल नियमों को लागू नहीं कर रहा है, यह अस्पष्टता के माध्यम से रास्ते खोज रहा है। शीर्ष वकील पारंपरिक समाधान से परे सोचते हैं। वे समस्याओं को दूर करते हैं, उपन्यास कानूनी तर्क, शिल्प अभिनव निपटान संरचनाओं की पहचान करते हैं और उन रणनीतियों को तैयार करते हैं जो विरोधियों का अनुमान नहीं लगाते हैं। वे शतरंज को कई कदम आगे देखते हैं। ये समझते हैं कि कानून अक्सर एक वांछित परिणाम के लिए कई संभावित मार्ग प्रदान करता है। अतृप्त बौद्धिक जिज्ञासा और आजीवन सीखना, कानून सदा विकसित हो रहा है। सफल वकीलों के पास कानूनी विकास, संबंधित क्षेत्रों, प्रौद्योगिकी, वित्त, चिकित्सा और बड़े पैमाने पर दुनिया के बारे में एक गहरी, वास्तविक जिज्ञासा होती है। वे गंभीर शिक्षार्थी हैं, लगातार अपने ज्ञान के आधार को अपडेट करते हैं, नए अभ्यास क्षेत्रों में महारत हासिल करते हैं और उस संदर्भ को समझते हैं जिसमें उनके ग्राहक संचालित होते हैं। ठहराव जीत का दुश्मन है। पारस्परिक महारत, पुलों का निर्माण और ट्रस्ट जीतना, असाधारण संचार, लिखित और मौखिक, जटिल विचारों को स्पष्ट रूप से, संक्षिप्त और दृढ़ता से व्यक्त करने की क्षमता सर्वोपरि है।
Hello everyone. Today, we will delve into the key traits and qualities outlined in the architect's
निष्कर्ष, विजय का तालमेल, विजय के शिल्पकार की परिभाषा किसी एक गुण से नहीं, बल्कि इन गुणों के शक्तिशाली तालमेल से होती है। पारस्परिक कौशल के बिना संज्ञानात्मक शक्ति तर्कों को निष्फल बना देती है। रणनीति के बिना दृढ़ता केवल हठ बन जाती है। निष्ठा के बिना प्रतिभा अंततः खोखली होती है। सर्वश्रेष्ठ वकील तीक्ष्ण विश्लेषण, रचनात्मक समस्या समाधान, कुशल संचार, भावनात्मक बुद्धिमत्ता, अथक परिश्रम, रणनीतिक कुशाग्रता और अटूट नैतिकता को सहजता से समाहित करते हैं। वे समझते हैं कि विजय बहुआयामी होती है, मुकदमा जीतना, मुवक्किल के लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करना, न्याय की रक्षा करना और अपनी प्रतिष्ठा और निष्ठा को बनाए रखना। गुणों और विशेषताओं के इस व्यापक समूह को सचेत रूप से विकसित करके वकील स्वयं को केवल अभ्यास करने वाले से सच्चे शिल्पकार में बदल देते हैं, जो कठिन परिश्रम से प्राप्त विजयों को डिजाइन और निर्मित करने में सक्षम होते हैं, जो एक सफल और प्रभावशाली कानूनी करियर को परिभाषित करते हैं। सफलता का खाका जटिल है, लेकिन जो लोग इसके तत्वों में निपुणता प्राप्त कर लेते हैं, उनके लिए